Okay, so this is how you create a quote from scratch. So you would find the customer that you wanted to create a quote for, if they've got an account already on here, or you would create an account through a different process by obviously going to create an account up there. But in this case, let's go with me for an example here. Let's say I wanted to quote myself. Just double click on it. And let's say I wanted a quote for a PC680. From there, obviously, it'll be set to quote as a default, so you won't need to change this. However, you would need to write quote up there in the order reference and then the type, so whether it was given by a telephone, email, walking at the counter, whatever. Any information that would go here as well. So let's say if you need to put some information about roughly when the customer would be looking to be buying this or wanting a check back or whatever, you would obviously put the date, your initials, and you could say, you know, would be coming into Nuttall, for example. Now, interestingly enough, because he's now coming into Nuttall for this, you need to make sure that you're changing the stock location. So obviously stock location, set that to Nuttall. Now it's important to this now because that means that when Nuttall comes to view the quote, everything is already set up. The idea is we're setting up as much as we can so that the time wasted when the customer actually comes in is a lot less, same as if it was in on the phone and the customer was going to order over the phone. Even though they're technically not coming in, if we can set up as much as we can in advance, it really helps in the future. Once this is all done, in case there are any other bits that might be relevant, like cash on delivery or changing the delivery address in advance or something like that by clicking up here. Once it's all done, you just hit save, and that's all there is to it.